How to watch ESPN on Xbox. Step number 1, connect your Xbox to the internet. Ensure your Xbox console is connected to a stable internet connection via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step number 2, access the Microsoft Store. From the Xbox home screen, navigate to the Microsoft Store. Select the Apps section. Step number 3, search for the ESPN app. Use the search function to type ESPN. Locate the ESPN app in the search results. Step number 4, download and install the ESPN app. Select your ESPN app and click Install. Wait for the app to download and install in your Xbox. Step number 5, open the ESPN app. Go back to the Xbox home screen and locate the ESPN app in My Games and Apps. Open the app to proceed. Step number 6, log in or sign up. Log in using your ESPN account credentials. If you have an ESPN Plus subscription, use those credentials to access exclusive content. If prompted, activate your device by visiting the URL displayed on the screen and entering your provided activation code. Step number 7, access ESPN content. Navigate through the app to find live games, shows, or ESPN Plus exclusive. Select your desired content to start streaming.